2008 Ford Fusion needs bulbs in the taillights. Here's how you do it quickly. So yes, first you must pull these little popper things out from the back of the trunk. You pop the trunk up like that. You don't really need a diagram to find out that you can easily reach the back of the blinkers right there. Right? There's your back blinkers. That's the housing. You just give them a twist and they come right out. Piece of cake. See that? Just like that. And for reference, here, that one's burnt. Here's the part number, Sylvania part number anyway. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!